Welcome to today's lesson, where we'll explore every form and meaning of the word run. By the end, you'll know how to use run as a noun, verb, adjective, and in common phrases. As a noun, run can mean the physical act of moving quickly on foot. For example, she went for a run this morning. It can also describe a streak of success, as in, our team is on a winning run. Finally, run can refer to a continuous period of something happening, like, we had a good run of sunny days last week. As a verb, run means to move quickly using your legs. We use run in different tenses. In the present simple, she runs to school every day. In the past simple, he ran 5 miles yesterday. In the past continuous, she was running when it started raining. In the future simple, he will run a race tomorrow. In the future continuous, he will be running at 6 p.m. tomorrow. In the future perfect, by next month, he will have run 10 marathons. Running can also be used as an adjective to describe things related to the action of running. For example, running shoes or running water. The word run is used in many common phrases in everyday English. Let's learn some popular phrases with the word run. These everyday expressions give run new meanings and help you sound more natural in English. Run errands. This means to do small tasks, like shopping or mailing a letter. For example, she is running errands this afternoon. Run into someone. This means to meet someone by chance. For example, I ran into my friend at the store. Run out of something. This means to use up all of something. For example, we ran out of milk. Run the show. This means to be in control or in charge of something. For example, he runs the show at his job. Running late. This means to be delayed or behind schedule. For example, I'm running late for the meeting. Run over. This phrase has several meanings. It can mean to hit someone with a vehicle, like be careful not to get run over by a car. It can also mean to exceed a time limit, like the meeting ran over by 30 minutes. Or, it can mean to briefly review something, as in let me run over the key points of the presentation. Run for office. This means to try to get a political position, like he is running for president. Now you've mastered the word run in all its forms and meanings. Keep practicing these different uses to sound more natural in English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.